Okay, so I have another package. And hey guys, it's me Carla, and today I'm actually going to be doing another package video. This is actually my last package left, so I'm going to make more. Worried face. She got my nails done for my graduation today. Remember my last video? Last video? I had my nails blue and now I have them pink. How weird. Okay, so this says Kawaii Shop on it, and it says shipped to Carla. That's how it looks like. Okay, so let's open this up from here. There can't be a video where it's so quiet, guys. Okay, so wait, guys. I was just looking in here. I don't know why. I don't feel like looking in here. I see a blind box. Okay, so oh my god, this is so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the peek again. Okay, so the first thing I see in the packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first squishy I pull out, two squishies, so it's this squishy. I got another cake. Oh jeez! I got another cake one. I think it's too much light, guys. I feel like it's better with light. Have that. Oh. This other squishy, which actually has frosting on here. A huge air bubble. That is the most biggest air bubble ever. And here is more. This is not squishy at all. I mean, it's squishy, but it's not slow rising at all. No. The next thing I pull out is this yellow. Another neon yellow. Next I have this extra, I guess, because I didn't order this. Next I pull out this, it's like stuck to the packaging. This is actually really nice packaging. By the way, it says LOL shop, and then here it's a bread dough glove. Actually, that's fun. So squishy it is. I really like the packaging a lot. Next thing I pull out is this sponge. Not bad, guys. Okay, guys, it is actually really squishy. So the next thing I have here is an extra, and it actually has this sponge with a cat face on it, as you guys can see. So the next, oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I did not see the note at all. Okay, so here's the note. Open it and read it. Thank you for shopping. Hope you enjoy my homemade squishy. Me handwriting. That was hard. Okay, so I have some blind boxes. I'm just gonna tell you guys this. Okay, here's one blind box. It has a heart face on it, a smiley face on it, a strange face on it, a happy face, a derpy face on it, just has a bunch of smiley faces. Let's just say that. So let's open this box up, shall we? This is actually an emoji box. It's not colored in. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm guessing it's her homemade squishy boxes. So yeah. Okay, here's what it looks like. You guys can see the face. Let's see who we got. Oh my god. We got this sleepy face one. Actually squishy. And it's actually really dense. But it's squishy, like.
Probably the air conditioning.
So yeah. Yay, I'm really excited that I got that. The boxes are really cool, I'm not even joking. Wow. And wow. Jeez. The last one. Yeah. That was so scary. Okay, I don't really think this is an emoji, but before I show you guys it, I'm just gonna tell you guys this looks really weird. Oh, here it is. It has a sleeping mask on it. This is guessing just a mistake. And then here's the smile. I mean, that looks pretty cool to me, so.
You know, I know we're very different. And sometimes I can be tough, but I just want to say I'm proud of you. You're not the physically strong type, but you carry a lot of emotional weight. You're a good father.
So these are the two emojis I have in the squishy collection. Thank you for this. These are beautiful.
Dad, Grandpa, Harvey, did you know about the stair lift that goes all the way up the mountain?
Well, that went pretty smooth.
Actually, there were several close calls.
I told you you'd be safe with me.
There's like things that I'm trying to take off. Oh no!
What?
So I had this thing on it, right? And then when I took it off, that's what happened. Poops. This is actually a really nice face. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye. So I'm just gonna hold the camera. Bye.